Hello dear students, let us start today's lecture. In previous lecture I have explained about sine rule and cosine rule, and we have done the cosine and sine rule board level question, JEE level questions. Now this is the cosine rule. Again, I had explained many questions 2 days. One day I explained totally sine rule, one day I explained cosine rule. Still some problems, we are going to do it. In triangle PQR, they given that angle P is the largest angle, where cos P value is given 1 by 3. PZ, this is the length of PZ, QX, RY are the consecutive even integers. Find the sides of the length of the triangle PQR. That is what they are asking. So you know, even integers means even number starts from 2n. 2n is the even number. Next 2n plus 2 is the even number. And 2n minus 2 are the 3 consecutive even numbers. So 2n, 2n plus 2, 2n minus 2. Here larger is 2n plus 2. Medium is 2n and the smaller is 2n minus 2. Here the opposite angle P is the largest angle. Then this opposite should get larger side. So I have to take, here you have 3 sides of the triangle. This is one side. These are the 3 integers, okay, consecutive integers. So these 3 integers you have to select. In this is the larger one, so I have to take, this is larger. And another one what I can take, another one is 2n. Next one is 2n minus 2. And you know that this is in class 10th you have learned. So these lengths will be equal. Right? From external point, if you draw the tangents to the circle. So this length is equal, this length is equal. Class 10th you have learned this concept, this property you have learned. So this, if this length is 2n plus 2, and then this length will be also 2n plus 2. If this length is 2n minus 2, then this length will be 2n minus 2. If this length is 2n, then this length will be 2n. So this is marked, these two are equal, these two are equal, and these two are equal. Now what I have to come here, I have to find the length of the sides of the triangle. So if you see that length of QR, what will be the length of QR? Length of QR will be 2n plus 2, 2n minus 2. Oh no, I think I have to get here 2n then. Because largest side, I should get larger. So this is, I should get 2n. Then only this will become larger. So I have to use 2n minus 2 here. 2n minus 2 here. And I have to use 2n plus 2 here, 2n, correct. Reason is I have to get largest angle opposite largest side. If I use 2n minus 2, I will not get the larger side. So now if I use here 2n minus 2, if I add with this, I will not get the larger. I will get larger if this is bigger, this is bigger, if these both addition will give you bigger size. So 2n plus 2, 2n I can write here. And here then what I am going to get here, let's see here. Now the length of QR will be 2n plus 2 plus 2n, that is 4n plus 2 I will get. And the length of PQ will be, 2n plus 2 plus 2n minus 2, the plus 2 minus 2 cancel, 2n plus 2n, that is I am going to get 4n. And the length of PR will be, what here, 2n minus 2 plus 2n, that is 4n minus 2 I will get, 4n minus 2 I will get. So these are the lengths of the triangle I got, okay. These are the length of the triangle. He is saying that in a triangle PQR, angle P is the largest angle, where cos P value 1 by 3, PZ, QX, RY are the consecutive even integers. Find the sides of the length of the triangle PQR. So now you have to find the length of the PQR. So I can use the concept of cos. I can use the concept of cos P. Cos A angle, formula I told you na. If this is PQR, see cos A formula is what? What is cos A formula? Cos A is equal to, tell me, B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. These are the length of the sides. So here you are going to get here P, capital P opposite is small p, capital Q opposite is small q, and small capital R opposite is small r. According to this, the lengths will be this. So cos P value will be P square plus, okay, P square will get there, okay. I'll get according to this formula. It means you know already, instead of PQR, I'll explain you ABC only. You know this length is A, this length is B as per that our chapter. As our chapter says that this is A length, A opposite A, likewise. To make you understand, I'm writing this is A, this is B, this is C. You know ABC is a triangle, then opposite A is capital A, opposite Q is small b, and opposite R, like that. So using that formula, what I am going to get here, B square plus C square. What is B here? B here, the length of B, that is, here we can say that this length is PR. PR length is the B. Okay, so I have to do one thing. I have to write this is last, and these two squares I have to write. So this length is how much I am getting? 4n minus 2, right? 4n minus 2 whole square plus 4n square minus 4n plus 2. Bigger one you have to get last corner. And 2 into 4n minus 2 into 4n you are going to get. So the length of cos P is equal to, I am going to get here, A plus B whole square formula, 16n square minus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16n plus 2 square value will be 4. Plus here I can get as 16n square minus, if I write here 16n square plus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16n plus 2 square value 4 divided by, here I can write this length is 2 into 4n into 4n minus 2. Okay. Now we have to simplify, we have to find the value of n. The n value, if you substitute in this, you are going to get the length of the side. This is JEE 2013 question. This is the question asked in JEE 2013. So what I am going to get here, I am going to get cos P value. Cos P is equal to, I can write here, see this is 16n square. I hope here 16n square, if I open this, plus 16n square minus 16n square cancel out. Am I right? And this is minus 16n, and you get here also minus 16n, and you have plus 16n square plus 16n square minus 16n and minus 16n, you are going to get minus 32n. First listen, try to understand, then I will give the time for writing. Plus 4 and minus 4, and this is plus 4, and you get here minus 4 gets cancelled out. Anything else? Nothing. So here you going to get here 2 4s are 8, 8 into, I can take 2 common more here, 2 take out common, so you get as 2n minus 1. So cos P value, as this is given, cos P value they given 1 by 3, I will use that condition here, because I have to use that, is equal to they given 1 by 3. So therefore 16 I can take out common on the top, cos P is equal to, if I take the 16 common, and I get inside n also I can take common, 16n I take common, so n minus 2 I will get, divided by 8 to the 16 into 2n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. 16 gets cancelled out. So therefore what I am going to get here, that's important, I am going to get here cos P is equal to n into n square minus 2 into n 2n divided by 2n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Do cross multiplication here, 3n square minus 6n is equal to 2n minus 1. So if I use here 3n square minus 8n plus 1 is equal to 0. So from this I am going to get the value of n here. Okay, please note down. Yeah, one second, see here. You have here 4 to the 8 into n, 8n, one n we missed out. So n should be here. So this calculation will be changed. This calculation will be changed. Because when I take common here, 16 and n if I take common, I get as n minus 2 divided by 16n into 2n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. 16 and 16n cancel out. So you can do here what is left you got is n minus 2 upon 2n minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. Do the cross multiplication. 3n minus 6 is equal to 2n minus 1. Therefore, 3n minus 2n is equal to minus 1 plus 6. So, n is equal to 5. So, n value is this 5. You got n value 5, you have to find the sides of the triangle. So, here the sides of the triangle is 4 into 5 plus 2, that is 22. And here is 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. Here is 4 into 5 minus 2, that is 18. So, the sides of this triangle are, what are there? 22, 20, 18. This is JEE 2013 question. Okay, hope you have understood cosine rule related problem. So let's see another JEE question. In triangle ABC, 2 times of a square minus b square equal to c square, and sine of a minus b divided by sine c is equal to lambda. The value of n for which cos of n pi lambda is equal to 0 is r dash. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Okay, advanced question this is. So let's see here. The question says that in a triangle ABC, here, 2 times of a square minus b square is equal to c square, and sine of a minus b upon sine c is equal to lambda. The value of n for which cos of n pi lambda is equal to 0 is r dash. So we have to find this value. Okay, so see here you have what here in triangle. So let us start the question answer. 2 times of a square minus b square is equal to c square. 2 times of this is I can write as sine square a minus sine square b is equal to sine square c. You know that sine square a minus sine square b formula is what? 2 times of sine here, sine a plus b into sine a minus b is equal to sine square c, right? Sine a plus b it is in a triangle. ABC is a triangle. If ABC is a triangle, a plus b plus c is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So a plus b is equal, c can be written as what? C can be written as pi minus a plus b. So if I apply on sine on both sides, so sine c is equal to sine of pi minus a plus b. So you know that sine c is equal to sine of a plus b. So sine of a plus b can be replaced what here? I can replace this is as sine c. Sine c into sine of a minus b is equal to sine square c. One sine c, one sine cancel out. What I am going to get here? I am going to get here sine of a minus b divided by sine c is equal to half. I am getting 2 if I send 1 by 2. Are you getting here? A square value sine square a, b square value sine square b, c square value c is the sine square c we wrote. Why? You know na, angles and sides, conditions, right? A square equal to what? Sine square a. B square equal to what? Sine square b. C square equal to what? Sine square c. So we used sine a plus b into sine a minus b here, and here I used sine c, cancel out, so you got this one. So if you compare this one, what will be the lambda value? If you see the question and this, what will be the lambda value? If I compare this one, what will be the lambda value? Lambda value will be half. What I have to find? Cos of n pi lambda, lambda is 1 by 2, so cos n pi by 2. Cos n pi by 2 0 कब होता है? Cos n pi by 2 0 when it happen for odd multiples of pi by 2. N is equal to 1, 3, 5, so and so. What are the options you have? 1, 3. N is equal to 1, 3. So n is equal to 1, 3 when happen, then this becomes 0. That's it. Over.